yang daggo ay ako ang garden karon. So starting new from starting over again to plant dragon fruit and some mulberry. So this is my small garden here for dragon fruit and mulberry. Ay, there's a berry, then the other dragon fruit. This is my mulberry tree that has been been and pruned to produce more fruits. As you can see, actually this method is tested. There's another dragon fruit here. There, I just bend them and prune their leaves. And there's another. So my small garden of dragon fruit and mulberry. And there's my pineapple. It's lansones. Lemon, calamansi. It's here, as you can see. These are my dragon fruits. Yeah, this is my coffee tree. I just pruned it to produce more branch. And this is another coffee tree. And this is my calamansi. Same thing. It produce more fruit during rainy days. Here. This is dragon fruit here. Then mulberry. See the other dragon fruits. Dragon fruit tree. There's another one here. There. There. And there. It's a mulberry. You can see. So you're wondering why I'm using this old plastic chair. I just recycle these plastics for the dragon fruit so that we can save the environment. And then this other wood here, and just already recycled it. So, as you can see. So let's see for another 5 months. That's the progress of my small dragon fruit garden. So I will let you see my other mulberry tree. So there he is. Actually, it's newly been applied by bend technique or method. Now look at it. It already produces fruit, flowers for fruiting. So maybe we just wait for another 2 weeks or a week for it to be ripened. So there's another tree here. Berry, dragon fruit. Okay. Yes. Berry, mulberry. Mulberry. So because of bad weather, some of its flowers had been fallen. The prune and bending method is effective. Mulberry. My aquaponics. Let's see what we have here. Under this duckweed is this Tasmanian fish. It's a wild guppy actually, or a wild guppy. This wither is what we call duckweed. It's an aquaponics. Solar powered aquaponics.